Hey Ken and Joe, I just wanted to show you your fence. Everything is up and ready for use. I just want to go over the fence with you and show you the installation. So you have hemlock posts with a 24-inch concrete base, a 2-inch reveal at the top of each of your posts with a cap, cedar cap. You have your cedar pickets, and along this side, this is called the finished side, and it has 3.5-inch cedar finish all the way down. For the hinges, I upgrade the bolts to 1.25-inch zinc, 1/4-inch lag bolts. They're better than what comes with the hardware kit. And a heavy-duty spring-loaded latch for the gate. It's auto lock. And I have the finished trim on the curb side of this fence. Here's Joe's. I moved his gate up like we discussed, so it's equal with yours. It looks better. He has the same hardware. And on the back side, you see the double hemlock rail, pressure treated on top, and the single rail on bottom. It's 5 feet from this rail to the bottom of that rail. Your fence is a true 6-foot fence here, and then you have another 1.5 inches, and then you have another 2-inch on your reveal, and then 1.5 on your crown, so you have good privacy. Same farm style gate with the zinc lag bolts and pressure treated for all the main web members, and it goes all the way down. Alright, I just want to thank you, Ken and Joe, for letting me take care of your property. It was a pleasure. You have a 1-year guarantee, so call me back with any issues that you might have. Here's my number, 425-654-1420. Thanks.